Are you tired of memorizing grammar rules from outdated textbooks? What if I told you the future of learning English is already here and it's powered by artificial intelligence? Welcome to Clear Voice English. In today's video, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing the way we learn English, making it faster, smarter, and way more engaging. The AI-powered English learning revolution. Imagine a world where your English lessons are personalized just for you. No more one-size-fits-all classes. That's exactly what AI is making possible. AI is now tailoring learning experiences based on your strengths, weaknesses, speed, and even your interests. Whether you're a beginner or preparing for IELTS or TOEFL, AI platforms are adapting to help you improve more efficiently. AI makes it possible to learn English at your pace on your terms. Game-changing AI tools for English learners. So, what kind of tools are we talking about? Tool 1. Language learning apps like Duolingo, Elsa, Speak, and ChatGPT. These apps now use AI to understand your progress and deliver the right lesson at the right time. Tool 2. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants. Imagine practicing conversation in real time with a virtual partner that responds naturally and even corrects your mistakes. Tool 3. Immersive VR and AR experiences. Virtual reality apps now let you practice ordering food at a restaurant in New York or asking for directions in London, all from your living room. Personalized feedback like never before. Here's where AI really shines. Instant, detailed, personalized feedback. AI tools analyze your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage in real time and give you actionable advice to improve. It's like having a private tutor 24/7. Keyline. Feedback is no longer just right or wrong. It's why, how, and what's next. A glimpse into the future. Let's take a peek into what's coming next. Predictive learning paths. AI will soon be able to predict your learning curve, telling you how long it might take to reach fluency and adjusting lessons in advance. Real-time voice translation. Voice assistants and smart glasses could instantly translate your English into any language or vice versa, breaking down communication barriers worldwide. How AI helps teachers and students alike. It's not just students who benefit. Teachers can now use AI to create custom learning plans, track student progress in real time, and provide deeper support. This creates a more inclusive and responsive classroom where every learner feels seen. Key line: AI isn't replacing teachers, it's empowering them. The benefits and ethical considerations. Of course, we also need to be mindful of data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the importance of keeping the human element in learning. But, used wisely, AI can bridge learning gaps, offer global access to education, and empower anyone to become a confident English speaker. Let's embrace the future together. The future of English learning is not about robots replacing teachers. It's about AI working with us to create a smarter, kinder, more connected world. If you're ready to take your English to the next level with AI, be sure to subscribe to Clear Voice English, your guide to smarter, more confident English learning. Like, share, and comment. What AI tool have you tried for learning English? Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly videos just like this. Download our free AI-powered English learning checklist in the description. Thanks for watching.